Hey, I'm Eric and welcome to Find Pigtails. Today I want to show you how our website is so much more than just locating the connector and pigtail you need. In fact, it offers a ton of services to help you in any aspect related to your repair, including helpful blog posts, news updates, anything like that. So today I want to discuss OEM position statements for wire repair. And why is that so important? If you don't repair your connector the proper way, or if you perform a repair when you're not supposed to, that can be a big no-no in the repair industry. And so that's why on our website, we're going to focus on showing you the correct way to do any sort of wire repair when it comes to automotive connector wiring harnesses. The first thing you'll notice is on our website, on the homepage, if you go under resources, you'll see something called position statements, wire harness repair. Click that and it's going to take you directly to the page that will show you everything that's allowable. So in this case, you're going to have certain makes and models where you are allowed to do a wire repair or you're not, or if you're going to do it, you need to use a specific tool, a specific accessory, and do it the right way. Otherwise, you're just going to be doing things the wrong way, and that could be very problematic down the road. So as you'll see here, it's going to have every make model. So these are going to be okay to perform a wire repair, and it's going to give you the proper instruction on exactly how to do it. Scroll down. Ford, Lincoln, Mitsubishi, again, all okay. But in this fact, you'll notice in some of these it's going to say you can do a wire repair, however, do not perform a repair on any sort of wiring regarding SRS modules, etc. That can be very dangerous. So at the same time, it's going to show you the ones where it is not okay to repair. And again, it's going to give you those proper instructions on why and why not, on why you can't do a repair that way. And when you read the information, it's going to provide you the reason of why you cannot. So in this case, per Nissan and Infiniti, do not attempt to repair, splice, or modify the SRS wiring harness. If the harness is damaged, replace it with a new one. Mazda would say the same thing. It will give you the proper instructions and reasons why you can or cannot repair a certain type of wiring harness. And so that's going to be pretty important for you to know moving forward. If you have a damaged connector or a piece of the wiring that's damaged, that can mean the difference between the car going home, because all you have to do is perform a splice or a wire repair, or it can mean the difference between the car not going home and then you're having to order a whole engine or body harness, which is very important. Now, I must say that we've had situations in the past where you were a body shop, didn't know that a wire was okay to repair. And so in that case, what happened is they just assumed that you cannot do a repair. And so because of that, they went ahead and ordered the whole body harness or an engine harness. And let's say it's a German car. Sometimes it could take 30, 60, 90 days for it to come in if it's a back-ordered part. So that's why it's very important, if you have any sort of questions, to please let us know. Because if you contact us, we'll be able to give you the direct information and let you know if you can or cannot repair it. And if you can repair it, what are some of the proper measures that you can take to do it.